Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today is the third day, third part of Ashtavakra Gita. Bowing down to sage Ashtavakra, we'll try to cover two chapters, around 20 slokas. So, if you have been hearing this from past 2 days, on the day one, sage Ashtavakra taught the highest truth to Janaka in about 19 slokas. Then Janaka did a bit of contemplation and come back, confirming the understanding, his realization. So the teaching is complete. So you would have, Sage Ashtavakra would have said, yeah, you have got everything right. Now you are realized, I am a great sage. You go ahead and bring other disciples. We'll start teaching all of them. So he did not do that. The third adhyaya is parikshatmakakshepamu. So he actually contradicts the teacher now, tries to examine how well the teaching has been gone in, how well the realization has come in to the disciple. So he starts Ashtavakra Uvacha अविनाशिनमात्मानमेकं विज्ञाय तत्त्वतः तवात्मज्ञस्य धीरस्य कथमर्थार्जने रतिः. So avinashinam atmanam, having realized that unimperishable self, avinashinam atmanam ekam tattvataha vijnaya, having known, atmajnasya, having known this atma, dhirasya, having achieved that dhairya, that strength of realization, tava ardharjane, in earning money, why are you ratihi katham, why are you getting involved in amassing the wealth as a king? So if we see yesterday's realization in first sloka, bodhoham prakrute paraha visvam mayi kliptam maya vyaptam prakasho me nijam rupam matto vinirgatam visvam mayyeva layameshyati yekoham. Then we see bodhamatroham, this kind of statements by Janaka. And also Janaka made 4 or 5 slokas which says aho aham namo mahyam, with this saying that how the great aham, I bow down to myself, who is like that. In all these things, it shows that he has really gone to that stage. But Ashtavakra points that out, saying that he is still interested in making money, and he goes on in 14 slokas now further. He goes on, does this akshepa. Akshepa is pointing finger. Atmajnanadaho pritir vishaya pramagochere sukte rajnanato lobho yadha rajita vibhrame. Sukte, in the mother of pearl, ajnanataha yatha rajita vibhrame. Once not knowing only, you will feel that it is silver. Rajita vibhrame lobhaha asha lobhaha bhavati tadha atmajnanat vishayagochara bhrame pritihi. Viswam spurati yatredam taranga iva sagare sohamasmiti vijnaya kim dina iva dhavasi. Knowing that Vishwam Spurati Yatredam Tarangayava Sagare, this Vishwam is world, is only a wave within the water. Sohamasmeti Vijnaya, having known that I am that, Deenaha, why are you appearing as if not knowing anything and helplessly you are going here and there? Why like that? Surutyapi suddha chaitanyam atmanamati sundaram upasthetyanta samsakto malinyamadiggachati. Srutvapi, having heard Suddha Chaitanyam Atmanam Ati Sundaram, highest beauty of Suddha pure Chaitanya, having understood, why are you going behind the carnal desires? Upastetyanta samsakto, carnal desires and pleasures of this worldly things. सर्वभूतेषु च आत्मानं सर्वभूतानि च आत्मनि मुनेर्जानत आश्चर्यं ममत्वमनुवर्तते. Also having known sarvabhuteshu cha atmanam, atma is in all bhutas, and sarvabhutani cha atmani, your own atma is there in every bhuta, in all the beings being in atma. Having known that, muner janata ascharyam, one, I wonder why you still mamatvam, you say this is mine, mamatvam anuvartate. I feel wondered by you saying something is mine. Asthitah paramadvaitam moksharthepi vyavasthitah आश्चर्यं कामवशगो विकलः केलिशिक्षया. Paramadvaitam of highest Advaita Sthitaha Asrinchi, when you took refuge into it, Mokshardhe Vyavasthitaha Api, even you are looking for the liberation, Ascharyam Kamavasagaha, being coming into the time to time, coming into the context of kamas, means desires. Keli Sikshaya, you doing this, all these different exercises of attaining the desirable things. Vikalaha Bhavati, why you are becoming helpless there as well. Udbhutam Jnana Durmitram Mavadharyati Durbalaha Ascharyam Kama Makankhet Kalamantamanusritaha. Ascharyam Kama Makankhet Kalam Antam Anusritaha. Akanksheta, why you are still desiring Akanksheta, Ascharyam. Atidurbalaha Jnana Durmitram Udbhutam Kamam Avadharya. Having known that desire is coming only from the ignorance, which is having very feeble Atidurbalaha. This is Satru, it is Jnana Durmitram, which is a enemy of the Jnana. Why you are still going behind them? ఈహాముత్ర విరక్తస్య నిత్యానిత్య వివేకినః ఆశ్చర్యం మోక్షకామస్య మోక్షాదేవ బిభీషికా. This is another important pointing out from a Ihamutra Viraktasya, even you have Virakta, you are not interested not only in the pleasures here, also in the pleasures of Swarga. Amutra Viraktasya, Nityanitya Vivekinaha, having the discrimination of what is temporary and what is permanent. Mokshakamasya, desiring the only liberation. Mokshateva Bhibhishika. You seem to be afraid of the liberation itself. Mokshadeva Bhibhishika. This is, I think, my guru once said. When I say that I will get you, I will give you moksha, people are running away. So that is being expressed by sage Ashtavakra also. People are even afraid of the moksha as well. So you look like that. So he is pointing out to Janaka that you seem to be afraid of even the moksha. Dhirastu bhojyamanopi pidyamanopi sarvada atmanam kevalam pasyan natushyati nakupyati. Dhirahatu, if you are really established at that dhira stage, means established in that faith, dhiraha, sthita prajnaha, your mind is not wavering. Atmanam kevalam pasyan, always looking Atma alone, sarvada bhojyamanaha api natushyati. He will not be elated with the happiness. Napidyamanaha. And even if he is being taken by several painful things through the life, api nakupyati. He will not feel bad about them. So this quality is something is pointed out. Cheshtamanam seriram swam pasyatasya seriravat samstave chapi nindayam katham kshubhyen mahasayah. Cheshtamanam, while performing all the actions, swam seriram, of this own body, whatever is considered as own body, anya seriravat, looking at it as a other body is doing it, somebody else is doing it, somebody else is getting praise, else is getting the ninda or the scoldings. Why anybody, why you will be worried? In the same way, Mahasayaha, the great people, samstave stuti nindayam, somebody is praising, somebody is blaming, all these things. Katham kshubhyet, there is no sorrow, sorryfulness, kshoba, there is no kshoba, kshubhet. మాయామాత్రమిదం విశ్వం పశ్యన్ విగత కౌతకః అపి సన్నిహితే మృత్యౌ కథం త్రస్యతి ధీరధీః. సో వన్స్ ద ధీరధీః ఇదం విశ్వం మాయామాత్రం ఇతి పశ్యన్ ధీరధీః విగత కౌతుకః, having gone all the kautukas, mrutyau sannihite, even the death is nearing, api katham trasyati, no fear, no pain, no, this thing is felt within. So the maya and like a deep sleep person, so in the deep sleep nothing actually touches the person. So nispruham manasam yasya nairasyepi mahatmanah tasyatmajnana truptasya tulana kena jayate. యస్య మానసం నైరాశ్యే నిస్పృహం తస్య ఆత్మజ్ఞాన తృప్తి మహాత్మనః తులనా. దెర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ టు ఈక్వేట్ వన్ హూ హ్యాస్ గాన్ దట్ నిస్పృహ మానసం యస్య నైరాస్యః ఇది మహాత్మనః తస్య ఆత్మజ్ఞాన తృప్తస్య ఆత్మజ్ఞాన తృప్తస్య తులనా కేన జాయతే. ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ బి మెజర్డ్ ఆర్ ఈక్వేటెడ్ టు ఎనీబడి ఎల్స్ హూ హ్యాస్ అచీవ్డ్ దట్ స్టేజ్. స్వభావదేవ జానానో దృశ్యమేతన్న కించన ఇదం గ్రాహ్యమిదం త్యాజ్యం నకిం పశ్యతి ధీరధీః. So there is not grahyam, there is nothing to be taken, there is nothing to be given away. Tyajyam nakim pasyati dhirathi swabhavadeva janano drusyametanna kinchanaha. Even looking at all that what is visible, drusyam, the experienced world, etan nakinchanaha, knowing that it is not really of any vastu value, there is no value to it, it's all zero. Idam grahyam idam tyajyam nakim pasyati dhirathi. These qualities are expected in somebody who has realized the truth. అంతస్త్యక్త కషాయస్య నిర్ద్వంద్వస్య నిరాశిషః యదృచ్ఛయాగతో భోగో న దుఃఖాయ న తుష్టయే. సో అంతస్తక్తస్ కషాయస్య, అంతఃకరణ, ఇన్వర్డ్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్, having purified everything, nirdvandvasya, having no duality, nirasishah, no desires, no asas, nirasishah, yudruchaya, on its own agatah bhogaha, some pleasure giving things, dukkhaya, some pain giving things, tushtaye na, they neither give any happiness or sadness to the person. So, with this, now Ashtavakra has actually pointed out a set of apparent mistakes in the disciple or the student, saying that I don't see these qualities in you, even though you are saying that I have got the realization, I have got this thing. Now, Janaka is a powerful king. Ashtavakra is 12-year-old boy, means Maharshi, but he is a young person in the age. Janaka would have said, "Oh, why I do need to prove? Go away." No. So Janaka now takes his student's position in the 4th chapter. It is called Atma Darsana Dhruvikaranamo. So here is actually the very important aspect of Guru Sishya Sambandha will come in there. Guru will find faults with Sishya. For the sake of Sishya's own improvement, nothing is there in the Guru to find faults or question or to examine the thing. Now Janaka is composing his answer. He starts. He is affirming that he has got the realization properly. हन्तात्मज्ञस्य धीरस्य जनक उवाच हन्तात्मज्ञस्य धीरस्य खेलतो भोगलीलया न हि संसारवाहीकैर्मूढैः सह समानता हन्ता अहो भोगलीलया this play of enjoyments khelata playing around with them atmajnasya dhirasya I am a dhira I am atmajna samsaravahikaiः. How do you compare me? How can you compare me who has realized the truth, who is only playing around with all this world? You can compare somebody who is samsara vahikai, who is being taking all the pressure of this samsara, and mudha, who is murkha. Samanata, why you are equating my actions to these a normal human being? So he is asking the question to the Guru. Then he is confirming. Yat padam prepsano dinaha sakradya sarvadevataha aho tatra sthito yogi na harshamupagacchati. Sakradyaha sarvadevataha, starting from the Lord of Devatas Sakra Indra, dinaha yat padam prepsavaha. So what they are all desiring to reach, in such a state I am established in. Korudro tatra sthitaha yogi harshanna upagacchati. Why I shouldn't be in the bliss? I will be in the bliss because I have attained such a state where even the starting from the king of gods, every god is trying to attain that. तज्ञस्य पुण्यपापाभ्यां स्पर्शो ह्यन्तर्न जायते न हि आकाशस्य धूमेन दृश्यमानापि संगति तज्ञस्य having known that punyapapabhyam sparsyo ह्यन्तर्न जायते, this punya and papa they don't get in me, antarna jayate, they don't go like nahi akasasya dhumena drusyamanapi sangati. Even though in the space the dust is visible, dust is not touching the space. So like the raised dust, how it is seen there, it is not touching me, it is not getting into me. ఆత్మైవేదం జగత్సర్వం జ్ఞాతం ఏన మహాత్మన యదృచ్ఛయా వర్తమానం తం నిషేద్ధుం క్షేమతక్కః. ఏన మహాత్మన ఇదం జగత్ సర్వం, బై which Mahatma, all this world, Sarvam, Atma eva jnatam, all this is Atma, I have known that. So one who has known that, tam yadruchaya vartamanam, as it happens, vartamanam, the present tense, whatever is coming into him, whatever is supposed to be done by him, vyavaha, all this vyavahara vartamanam, nishedhum kakshemataha, who can condemn that person from doing what he is doing? Nobody can condemn. So आब्रह्मकेटपर्यन्ते भूतग्रामे चतुर्विधे विज्ञस्यैव हि सामर्थ्यम् इच्छानिच्छविवर्जने आब्रह्मकेटपर्यन्ते knowing that from the Brahma to the Kita small ant to the Brahma चतुर्विधे भूतग्रामे अंडजा उद्भिजा भूमिजा जरोदजा all different four types of bhutagrame vignasya eva ichha aniccha vivarjane one he has no like no dislike samarthyam he so ichha aniccha vivarjane samarthyam he one who has known the vignasya all this atma seen in everywhere. So Janaka is reaffirming that he has no like, no dislike, or nobody can stop him from liking or disliking anything. Atmanam advayam kaschid jnanati jagadishwaram yadvetti tatsakurute na bhayam tasya kutrachit. So actually Ashtavakra accused Janaka of fear, bhayam. So kaschit atmanam advayam jagadish janati. Whoever has understood atma as non-dual, jagadishwaram, it is the lord of the world, saha yat vetti tat kurute, whatever he knows he will continue to do. Tasya kutrachit bhayam. For such a person, where the fear, where is the source of the fear? Don't have fear. So he is affirming that Atmanam advayam kaschid jnanati jagadishwaram yadvetti tatsakurute. Yadvetti tatsakurute. Tatsakurute. Na bhayam kastasya kutrachit. Definitely there is no fear. He has reaffirmed that yadvetti tatsakurute. That is the final point. Then with that, Janaka keeps quiet. So the 6 slokas, Janaka refutes or gives the affirmation again back to the teacher, saying that it is not that I am interested in doing this, I am still, you cannot equate a Jnani's actions with an Ajnani's actions. So Jnani also actions look alike in both sides, that it is not going inside all these things and fear is not there. Absolutely no fear. With this, we complete the 4th chapter. In the first chapter there are 20 slokas, second chapter there are 25, third 14, and the fourth 6. Total 65 slokas of this 288 slokas work. We came to the end of 4th chapter today. Om Tat Sat.